What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're hunting for a brand new car that won't destroy your wallet, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into the future and counting down the top 5 budget-friendly cars you should have on your radar for 2025. These aren't just cheap cars, they're packed with value, style, and tech. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the all-new Chevrolet Trax. Chevy has completely redesigned this compact SUV, and wow, it's impressive. It's bigger, looks way more stylish, and comes loaded with standard features like an 11-inch infotainment screen. Starting at a price that's hard to believe for its size, the Trax offers incredible space and modern aesthetics without the premium cost. It's perfect for those needing SUV versatility on a small car budget. Coming in at number 4 is the Hyundai Elantra. Hyundai continues to dominate the value game, and the 2025 Elantra is no exception. With its sharp, futuristic design, you're guaranteed to turn heads. But it's not just about looks. The Elantra boasts amazing fuel economy, a comfortable ride, and a suite of standard safety features that many competitors charge extra for. Plus, Hyundai's fantastic warranty provides that extra peace of mind. It's a smart, stylish, and sensible choice. In our number 3 spot, we have the legendary Toyota Corolla. You just can't talk about budget cars without mentioning the Corolla. For 2025, Toyota refines the formula that has made it a global bestseller. Expect rock-solid reliability, excellent resale value, and even more standard tech. With efficient hybrid options available across the lineup, you'll save money at the dealership and at the gas pump. The Corolla is the definition of a worry-free daily driver. Sliding into second place is the Honda Civic. The Civic has always been a fan favorite, and the 2025 model continues that legacy. It perfectly blends fun, practicality, and refinement. The interior feels surprisingly upscale for its price point. The handling is crisp and engaging, and it's packed with user-friendly technology. Whether you choose the sedan or the hatchback, the Civic offers a premium driving experience without the premium price tag, making it one of the most complete packages on the market. And finally, our number 1 budget car for 2025 is the Kia K5. This mid-size sedan offers so much for the money that it's almost unbelievable. The K5 stuns with its aggressive fastback-style design that looks far more expensive than it is. Step inside, and you're greeted with a spacious, high-tech cabin. With available all-wheel drive and a punchy turbocharged engine option, the K5 proves that you don't have to sacrifice excitement or features when you're on a budget. It's the total package of style, performance, and incredible value. So there you have it, our top 5 budget cars to look out for in 2025. Which one caught your eye? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more car reviews and top lists. We'll see you in the next one.